Welcome back to another video, everyone. I'm Amy. Today I'll be taking you through a yoga sequence which is perfect to boost your immune system and to help if you're struggling right now with a cough or a cold like me. Namaste everyone, nice to see you. So I'm sorry if you're not feeling so well right now. I'm right there with you. Yoga can actually help a lot, boosting your immunity and to clear any toxins from our body if we're sick, helping us to get better a little bit faster, or at the very least boosting our energy levels and giving us a bit more drive and fight for life while we recover. So yoga, as we know, is very good for reducing stress levels in the body, and stress can suppress your immune system. On top of this, the movement and allowing energy to flow better through the body, hello Maggie, and allowing circulation to improve will help to reduce and remove toxins in the body, helping clear anything that shouldn't be there a little bit faster. It's also very good if you're suffering with anything respiratory related, so like a cough or a cold. As you'll see in this practice, we'll be doing quite a lot of chest opening, which will help to open the chest and clear the chest of any fluids, helping you to breathe a little bit easier. So the very first thing that we're going to start with, this will be very helpful for me as I'm struggling with a cold today, is if your nose is blocked, there's actually a very powerful breathing technique that we can use. So I'll show you. You can sit comfortably. First off, check your nostrils if you're not aware already which one may be blocked or if both are blocked. And then, I think Maggie is trying to make me feel better today. Thanks, Maggie. And now she's attacking me. So you can make a fist and I'll leave this in to entertain you rather than cutting this out. Make a fist, place the fist underneath the armpit, so placing it right into the armpit, like so, and then clamping down. Thank you. So what happens is underneath your armpit you have sympathetic nerves. So on the left side, this connects to the right nostril and vice versa. And this can help to unblock the nose. So you're going to clamp down as firmly as you can, but without hurting yourself. And then rock to one side. Breathe in, breathe out through the nose if you can, and rock to the other. Breathe in and breathe out. You can repeat this just a couple of times slowly. Be careful not to make yourself dizzy, particularly if you're congested. And then release. And like magic, if you check again, close off one nostril, close off the other, you might find you can breathe a little bit easier. This is also very helpful for those who tend to have a blocked nose anyway, whether or not they're ill. My son is one of these people who struggles to breathe through his nose a lot of the time. He's a mouth breather, so this might also be beneficial for you. So with that done, when you're ready, we're going to come standing on the mat. I'll see you there. So if you come standing on the mat, find yourself some space and start to become aware of your breath. Feet together, back comfortably straight. Bring your palms by your sides, facing out. Your shoulders back, chest open. Chin is slightly tucked. And slow inhale through the nose if you can, and exhale. One more deep inhale. And exhale. So today we have a very gentle yoga practice. So we'll be moving the body, which, as we said, will help to boost your energy levels, your circulation, and to help you have a bit more life and clear out any toxins from your body a lot faster. But please take it very, very easy and be mindful of your own limits, particularly if you're not feeling very well. If you need a break at any time, child's pose is always available to you. Also, a lot of the poses that we'll be doing will be to open the chest, helping you to breathe a little bit more easily. Those of you who are feeling congested might want to consider not doing any of the forward bends, because this would increase the feeling of pressure in the head. However, this can also be very beneficial to help drain congestion. So be mindful of your own body, stay with your breath, and have compassion and kindness with yourself, because this is the most important thing on the path to recovery. So coming to the front of the mat, we're going to begin with tree pose. Place your weight in the left foot and bring the right foot up. Place it on the inside of the left thigh. Now, if you're losing your balance, feeling any dizziness, then come to the wall. If this is too much, you can stand in mountain pose, Tadasana, where we were just before. Take a slow inhale and exhale. Starting to bring calmness and balance to the body, a nice stress relieving pose. If you can, bring your hands together, hold prayer. One more inhale and exhale. To take it further, take a nice deep inhale and reach your hands straight up to the sky. Make yourself as tall as possible. And exhale, bring it down. We're going to switch legs. You can bend the right knee, bend the left knee, walk it out in between. Now bring the weight into the right foot and place the left foot on the inside of the thigh. Notice the openness in the hips. So the left knee here is gently pushing down and back, opening up the pelvis. Take an inhale. And exhale. Palms together. Inhale. And exhale. Reach up. Remember, use the wall if you need. Tall as you can. Feel the space in the chest and the back. And exhale, release, let go. Bend the right knee, bend the left knee, walk it out. Separate the feet very slightly. So approximately just less than shoulder width apart. Palms by your side, shoulders back, chest is open. Take an inhale and reach your palms straight up to the sky, look up. Exhale, sit down into chair pose, Utkatasana. So imagining that we have a chair underneath us, you're going to sit down as far as you're comfortable with. If you really need to, you can actually get a chair for this. If you're ill, I'll allow it for today. Now making sure that the knees are not coming forwards over the feet. The chest is open, so we don't want to be leaning forwards like this. Maintaining openness in the chest. There's a gentle arch to the back. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten the legs and bring the palms down. Bend the right knee, bend the left knee. Both feet down. And we're going to do that one more time. Inhale, reach up, look up. Shoulders back and chest is open. Exhale, sit down. Sit right back. Again, not leaning forward, keeping the chest up and open. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the legs and bring the palms down. Now separate the feet as wide as you're comfortable with on the mat. Bring them nice and wide. And bring your hands to your waist. To prevent your feet from slipping on the mat, you can slightly angle the toes pointing in. that your feet are at an angle. So bringing your hands to your waist, shoulders back, chest open. Inhale. And we're going to exhale, gently fold forwards. Now come as far as you're comfortable with. Again, if you're congested, you might not be comfortable coming far down on this. Let's hold halfway down, making sure that the back is long, the hips are pushing back, the shoulders are drawing back. Imagining that we're trying to squeeze the elbows together. Look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Hands at your waist. Breathe, inhale and exhale. And we're going to do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale, fold forwards. This time, if you can bring your palms down to the ground. You can hold on to a chair to support you if you need, coming down as far as you're comfortable with. If you feel comfortable, you can allow your head to hang down. This pose is very good at draining the sinuses. Bringing the palms onto the ground and gently pushing the chest back, bringing the head down. Remember, you can always stay halfway down or supporting with a chair or the sofa. Let's hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to turn towards the right leg and step the right leg back into downward dog. Now, if we're new to downward dog, I'll place a link to the instructional video on downward dog. Hold a nice downward dog, bend the right leg, bend the left leg. So yoga will be helping to relieve some of that tension in the body that we feel when we're a bit unwell. Lift both heels up, inhale, exhale. Bring both heels down as far as you can. Trying to form that triangle shape. Again, both heels up, inhale, exhale, both heels down. Let's do that one more time. Try to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Pressing the chest down and back towards the legs and the head down towards the ground. Holding here, breathing here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, come forward and drop your knees down onto all fours and bring your chest down to the ground. Ashtanga Pranayama, 8 limb pose. Toes, knees, chest, chin, hands and shoulders aiming to be towards the ground. Feel the connection with ground energies. Very nice. The rest will pose. Now we're going to inhale into Cobra, Bhujanga Asana. So chest comes forwards, legs come flat, toes are flat, palms underneath the shoulders, and lift the chest up. Being mindful of the back if you're feeling any pain. Only come up as far as you're comfortable with. Make sure the chin is in line, gently tucking the chin. And hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the head down to the ground, palms by your side. You can turn to the side and rest a moment. If you're feeling any pressure in the lower back, give it some love, give it a massage. So we're going to repeat that. When you're ready, bring your palms down, gaze forward, and lift up into Cobra. Hold at the highest point that you're comfortable with for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the head down, touch the ground. And lift up again. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. head down, lift up, 3, 2, and 1. One more time, place the head on the ground, and lift up, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Curl the toes, press up, and back into downward dog. Breathe here, hold here. Inhale and exhale. Now drop the knees down slowly to the ground, coming onto all fours. Neutral spine. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, curl the toes and push back to downward dog. Again, inhale, knees down slowly and mindfully. Look up. Exhale, downward dog. Move with your breath one more time. Inhale, knees down, look forward. And this time, exhale. Curve the back down and lift it up. Moving through cat-cow pose now. Again, inhale. Upward facing to cow, so the back is arched, looking up. Exhale to downward facing, cat pose. Lifting the back up to the sky as far as you can. Feel the movement through the spine. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale, forwards, and exhale. Lift it up. Inhale, forwards, and exhale. When the energy gets stuck in our spine, this can leave us feeling very tired. So we're gently mobilizing the spine, helping boost our energy levels. Let's do 2 more. Inhale to cow pose. And exhale to cat pose. Let's take a rest. Take a moment in child's pose. Leaving the arms out in front of you. Keeping length in the back. Slow the breath, calm the mind. When you're ready, come up kneeling, up. Now we're going to do a very gentle back bend. So you can bring your hands to your lower back and try to bring the elbows together, feeling the openness in the chest. And then lean back, looking back. Being very, very mindful of the lower back and supporting yourself, not pushing through any pain. If you're fairly new to yoga, come back and you're going to repeat that. If you're more experienced, we're going to come into camel pose. So bringing the right hand down to the right foot and the left hand down to the left foot. The hips are over the knees, not leaning back. Chest is open, heart is open, and looking back. If you're feeling dizzy, remember, take a break. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. We're going to do that one more time. Remember the variation, if you're new to yoga, hands on your lower back, chest open, elbows together, and gently look back. If you're more experienced, one more time, camel pose. Hands down, and look back. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, supporting the lower back, and bring it down into child's pose. Rest. This time, give your back a little massage, give it some love. If there's someone else there, ask them to massage your back for you. Take a few slow, deep breaths into the belly, releasing the lower back. and slowly come up. Now, bring the right leg out straight and bend the left knee, placing the left foot flat. So right leg is straight, toes are back and engaged, and the left foot is coming in as close as you can to the body. If you're comfortable, bring the left foot and place it over the right leg, next to the right knee. And then inhale, reach your right hand up to the sky. And exhale, turn and twist over the left leg as far as you're comfortable. Now, there's a few variations here. You can bring the left knee in and squeeze it in close to the body, as close as you're comfortable with. If this is too much, simply keeping the left leg in, hug the knee in. To take it a step further, inhale, right arm comes up. Exhale, turn and twist all the way, looking over the left shoulder. If you can bring your right hand down, holding onto the left foot, fantastic. Only take it as far as you're comfortable with. So a spinal twist is very good for removing toxins. Imagine that we're sort of squeezing the main energy channel in our body, squeezing out anything that shouldn't be in there. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. We're going to switch legs. Left leg is straight. Bring the right knee in. Now you can stay here, hugging the knee, or if you're comfortable, bring the right foot over. Hold the knee close to the body. To take it a step further, inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, turn and twist, looking over the right shoulder towards Maggie, who may attack me again. Hold. Remember, if you can grab your hold of your right foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Those of you who are new to yoga, we're going to repeat that again with the left foot in. Those of you who are more experienced, I'm going to show you a slightly more advanced variation. So you're going to bring the left foot over, place it next to the right knee, this time bending the right leg as well. So you're super twisted like a pretzel. And then inhale, right arm comes up. Exhale, turn and twist. Take your deepest stretch. Squeeze out that spine. Getting rid of all of those toxins. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. So remember, those of you who are new, you have your gentler variation. Or if you just want to take it easy, that's fine. So bringing the right foot, placing it over next to the left knee, bending the left knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, turn and twist. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now everybody bring your legs out straight, give them a shake, give them a massage with the mat. So we're moving now into cow face pose. You're going to bend your left knee, place the left knee down on the ground, the left foot is close to your body here, and bring the right knee and stack it over the left. Now it could be up here, that's fine. If you can, try to bring the knees down as close together as possible. Your feet are out to the sides like handlebars of a bicycle. Now bring the right arm up, sit up nice and tall. Drop the right hand down between your shoulder blades here. And if you can, your left arm comes around. So you're going to feel the stretch in the left shoulder at the front and side and through the back of the right arm. The goal would be to try to bring the fingertips together behind the back. Hold here. This is one of our more advanced poses. So to take it more gently, you can simply hold on to the right knee here. It's very good for your immune system, this pose is. If you're feeling any pain in the shoulder, please take it easy. 3, 2, and 1. Switch. So bringing the right knee down, right foot is in, left foot comes over, stacking the knees if you can, or simply holding on to the left knee here. Sit up nice and tall and bring the left arm. Drop the hand between the shoulder blades and bring the right arm around. I'll show you from the back this time. Got a little confused there, being all twisted. So if you can simply bring the right arm around. The goal would be to try to bring the fingertips together. So wherever you're at, sit up nice and tall. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to switch, do that one more time on the other side. So again, bringing the right foot over, bending the left knee. So if this is confusing to you, start with your both legs straight, right foot over, then bend the left knee. Otherwise you can get all twisted and confused. Stack the knees. Bring the right hand up. Place it between the shoulder blades and the left arm around. Sit up nice and tall. Slow, deep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to switch one more time. Right knee down. Left knee over. Left arm up. Right arm behind. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back. Again. Legs out, nice and straight. Give them a shake. Give them a massage. So for the next pose, if you're newer to yoga or if you have any back problems, please be very, very mindful and take it easy. You also might want to get a pillow or a cushion to help you with this. So sitting in Vajrasana, kneeling. If this is uncomfortable, you can place a cushion underneath your backside here. We're going to come into sleeping firebolt pose. So for Vajrasana is firebolt pose, you can see the zigzag here. So sleeping firebolt, if you guessed it, will be lying down in this way. So this is where the pillow may be comfortable for you. It's also a very relaxing pose. You're going to come down very, very gently to the point where you feel pressure in the fronts of the legs, but no pain. Also being mindful of the lower back. Come down onto your elbows if you can, and stay here. Chest is open. You can relax the head back and look back. If you're comfortable, come all the way down onto the mat, or placing the cushion underneath your back. So you don't need the cushion if you're very, very comfortable in this pose. Palms by your sides, palms facing up. And walk the shoulder blades together, opening the chest. Make sure the knees stay down. Breathe and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly come up and straight into child's pose, releasing the pressure in the back. Again, taking some deep breaths into the lower back, filling the belly with the air. If there are any poses that you'd like to skip, please feel free. This is a complete mixture of asana for all levels. So you can just pick the ones that feel good to you. Now we're going to repeat that one more time. So come up, slowly start to walk back, walking the palms back, coming down onto your elbows if you're comfortable, or putting a few pillows underneath you so you can chill out. Allow the head to come back, come all the way down if you're comfortable. Palms facing up and relax. You can also bring your hands out behind your head, stretching, opening the chest. Stay here as long as you're comfortable with. if you're very experienced with yoga, to take it one more step further, you can bring your palms underneath your shoulders, reverse the palms, and lift the crown of the head onto the ground, opening the throat. This is very good. Another very good sinus draining and immunity boosting pose. Opening the throat. Only try this if you're more experienced at yoga, please. And when you're ready, slowly come up, supporting the lower back, straight into child's pose. We've got one more asana. You're going to love this one. It's a nice gentle one that I've saved for you. Now slowly coming up, and we're going to lie down on the back. Bringing the heels in close to the body. Bring the heels in as close as you can. And you're going to inhale, lift the hips up, coming into half wheel pose. If you have some tension in the lower back, you can bring your palms to the lower back here, supporting. Again, you can bring a cushion under your back to support you if you need. Be compassionate with the body. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hips down, knees to chest. Give yourself a big hug, like you mean it. We're going to do that one more time. Bring your feet down. And inhale, lift up the hips as high as you can. You can walk the feet in closer towards you. If you're comfortable, interlock the palms like this. And inhale, lift all the way up onto your shoulders, opening the chest. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Bring your knees into your chest. Hug them in. Final pose. You can come to the wall. Well, we call this a pose or just a nice rest. Feel good asana. We're going to come into legs up the wall pose, which means that Maggie is going to need to move. So find your wall, bring your legs to the wall, and bring your backside as close as you can towards the wall. And resting here. This is very good for removing toxins from the circulation as it's allowing all the blood to drain back from the legs towards the heart. So the veins that carry the blood back to the heart actually don't have any muscle. So they require the muscles in the legs to pump the blood back. Or we can lift the legs up like this just to give it a hand. So relax here. You can bring your palms by your sides. Slow, deep breaths. Chest is open. Try to bring the backs of the shoulders on the ground to open the chest. And we're going to hang out here for a few minutes. You can pause the video at this point and stay for as long as you like in the pose. Slow, deep breathing. Enjoy this one. And finally, we're going to bring the knees into the chest, hug them in. Give yourself one more big hug, like you mean it. And you're going to rock from side to side, massaging the lower back, giving it some love. Circle the knees on the ceiling, giving yourself a free massage here in the lower back. Just notice what feels good. Drop your knees over down to the left. Look to the right. And drop the knees down to the right. Looking at left at Maggie. She's in a funny mood today. It's because it's raining outside if you can't hear. And when you're ready, slowly coming back up. Seated. So I hope you're feeling a little bit more energized, a little bit better, a little bit less deathly. Actually, I feel much lighter and my nose has cleared, which is awesome. So I hope you found this video beneficial. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making regular videos like this to help you with your yoga journey. Have a wonderful, peaceful rest of the day. Stay well. Namaste.